Most sales navigator scrapers come with a huge trade-off. When you use them, you put your account in risk. But luckily, I found a tool that lets you scrape LinkedIn without providing your credentials, cookies, or anything else that could get you banned. This tool is Datablist.com. Datablist is a platform to automate data sourcing, enrichment, and cleaning workflows. So let's just open Datablist and see how it works. When you open Datablist, you will arrive at this Getting Started page. Then you create here a new collection and give it a name. Then you click on See All Sources and select the LinkedIn search scraper. This scraper works with both LinkedIn search URLs, but also Sales Navigator search URLs. And it doesn't matter if you have people searches or company searches. You can scrape any search. So let me just go here to LinkedIn and select here the people filter and put some filters here, United States and Germany. And now I'm going to copy the URL from my browser search bar and go back to Datablist and paste this URL in this URL bar and select a limit of 200 and click on continue. Now you will get some personal information, then some metadata, some information about their work history, and also the education history, and then you will get also company data, company name, company domain, and so on. You just scroll down and click on one import now. This will create a scraping task, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete a scraping task. So I will just click on pause and be back when this is finished. Okay, so here we are, guys. We just scraped this LinkedIn leads and we got a bunch of data. So we have here first name, last name, name, some metadata, the job data, when they started out, when they finished. So they didn't finish yet because most of them are still working, right? So if they have a premium account or not, the headline, location, how many connections they have, some education data, and here the company name, company domain, description, when they founded the company, and much more data. So yeah, looks pretty good to me. If you want to try this out, just go to datablist.com and start scraping LinkedIn without putting your account in risk. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.